The best training split for beginners: 3-day, 4-day, and 5-day options. Before we start, if you're new here and want simple, no-nonsense fitness advice that actually works, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And stay until the end, because I'll show you how to choose the right training split for your lifestyle, not just what looks good on paper. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make in the gym isn't bad exercises, it's choosing the wrong training split. Train too little, and you don't see results. Train too much, and you burn out, get injured, or quit. So in this video, we're breaking down the best training splits for beginners, including a 3-day option, a 4-day option, and a 5-day option. I'll explain who each one is for, how to structure it, and how to know when you're ready to move up. Let's start with something important. A training split is simply how you divide your workouts across the week, and for beginners this matters a lot, because your body is still learning how to move properly, how to recover, and how to build muscle efficiently. Beginners don't need complicated programs. They need consistency, recovery, and progression. The right split helps you train each muscle enough, recover between workouts, and stay consistent long-term. Because the best training split isn't the most advanced one. It's the one you can stick to week after week. The 3-day training split. If you're brand new to lifting, busy with work or school, or returning after time off, this is your best option. The most effective 3-day split for beginners is a full body routine. That means you train your entire body each workout. Here's why that works so well. Beginners recover fast, and training each muscle multiple times per week helps you learn movement patterns and build strength faster. A typical 3-day schedule looks like this: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Each workout includes a lower body movement, a push, a pull, and some core work. Here's an example. Workout A: squats or leg press, bench press or push-ups, rows or lat pull-downs, and a core exercise. Workout B: deadlifts or hip thrusts, overhead press, pull-ups or assisted pull-ups, and a core exercise. Your week would look like this: Monday, workout A; Wednesday, workout B; Friday, workout A. The following week, you switch it: B, A, B. This structure trains every major muscle group 2 to 3 times per week, which is ideal for beginners. You also get plenty of recovery between workouts, which means less soreness and better progress. This is the split I recommend to almost every beginner starting out. Now let's talk about common mistakes beginners make on a 3-day split. The biggest one is doing too much. Too many exercises, too many sets, training to failure every workout. That's not needed. 4 to 6 exercises per workout is plenty. Focus on good form, leave 1 or 2 reps in the tank, and prioritize showing up consistently. If you feel destroyed after every session, you're doing too much. Progress comes from recovering, not just working hard. The 4-day training split. Once you've been training consistently for a while and feel like 3 days isn't enough, a 4-day split is a great next step. The best beginner-friendly 4-day split is an upper-lower split. That means 2 upper body days and 2 lower body days. Here's how it works. Day 1, upper body chest, back, shoulders, arms. Day 2, lower body quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves. Day 3, rest day 4, upper body, using slightly different exercises or variations. Day 5, lower body again, with different movements or rep ranges. Each muscle group still gets trained twice per week, but with more total volume than a 3-day split. This is great if you enjoy being in the gym, you recover well, and you want more muscle growth. It also gives your workouts more structure and focus. So how do you know when you're ready to move from a 3-day split to a 4-day split? Here are a few signs. You're no longer sore for days after workouts. Your strength progress has slowed on 3 days. And most importantly, you want to train more, not feel forced to. If training feels like a chore, don't move up yet. More days only help if your recovery can handle it. The 5-day training split. Now let's talk about 5-day splits. This is where beginners need to be careful. A 5-day split is not automatically better. It only works if your recovery, sleep, and nutrition are already dialed in. This split is best for very consistent beginners, people who genuinely enjoy training and those who recover quickly. A common 5-day structure looks like this. Day 1, push chest, shoulders, triceps. Day 2, pull back and biceps. Day 3, legs, quads, hamstrings, glutes. Day 4, upper body lighter chest and back focus. Day 5, lower body legs and core, lighter volume. This allows you to train frequently without overloading any one session. But here's the warning. If your sleep is bad, your diet is inconsistent, or your stress is high, a 5-day split will slow your progress, not speed it up. More training days only work when recovery supports it. How to choose the right split for you. Choosing the best training split isn't about ego, it's about honesty. Ask yourself, how many days can I realistically train every week? Do I recover well between workouts? Am I excited to train, or just forcing myself? Here's a simple rule. 3 days per week is perfect for most beginners. 4 days works well once you've built consistency. 5 days should only be used if recovery is solid. Remember, results come from showing up consistently, not from training as much as possible. No matter which split you choose, tracking your workouts matters. Knowing what you lifted, how many reps you did, and whether you're progressing, takes the guesswork out of training. Progress should be intentional, not random. Using a simple workout tracker helps you stay consistent, motivated, and accountable week after week. So to recap, 3 days per week is ideal for most beginners, 4 days adds structure and volume, 5 days only works if recovery is on point. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And comment below, how many days a week are you training right now?
I'll see you in the next video. Stay consistent.